Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be changing the air filter, the engine air filter on this 2010 Honda Accord. This is the 4-cylinder model, the 2.4. So it's really quite easy. Airbox is right over here, right behind the battery. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this little clip over here. So you're literally just going to squeeze this and pull back. There are 3 clips. One back here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a clip right here in this corner, and you literally just push it with your thumb and it should be able to come off. This one right here. We've got one clip over here, and then we've got one clip over here, and that's going to let you take off the top of this airbox just like so. We just need about that much. And there you have the old filter. Let me just pull this out. So as you can see, this is pretty dirty. I think the last time we did a change on this car was about 15,000 miles ago. You should really be doing it about every 10,000. So anyway, I just went to Advanced Auto Parts, picked up one of these premium air filters, STP. Here it is. So the filter goes in this way, where all these, the side of the filter goes down. So let me just go back in here. And this should just fall right in. Yep, it did. It's a perfect fit. So now I'm just gonna come back, put this box. If you can see back over here, there's a little tab for this plastic bit to go into. So we're gonna squeeze just like that. So you can see there's a little nub that sort of went into this hole. And now I'm just going to close these and put this one on back here. So that's good. And then I'm just going to reattach this clip, and that's it. So literally took 2 or 3 minutes, but you should be doing this about every 10,000 miles. It gets rid of all the debris going into the engine. That's it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll have more content coming your way soon. We're actually doing another video because we're going to be changing the spark plugs on this bad boy. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.